to another mega exciting 5-pin auto pairing. So poison pawn. Let's try classical knight c6. Sorry, a bit of a change. Okay, going into Scheveningen. Now a3, yeah, a3 is interesting. Okay. Right, not totally like at the moment. Doesn't seem totally king safety critical when he's played. Okay. Can I get away with e5 or not? I could be getting in the worst position here. And there's b4 to think about. Maybe I'll do this to take this bishop off. This is radical. If I can take this bishop off, I've got pressure on. Alright, now d5. Just trying to liberate my position a bit. This bishop, this diagonal, without weakening d5 too much. So I gain that tempo. Well, because he's responded to knight b4. Okay, I can play a check first or queen e5. The check gives me queen d4, actually.
Check.
After bishop f4. I hope. So this might be good news. I hope this is good news. Let's see, queen e1. Yeah. Have I got knight e4? Just trying to play for knight f2, I hope. Knight f2 on the cards. Round about here, knight f2.
Check.
Well, this looks like good news so far. Yeah, it is good news. Okay, I've had a bit of a relief today. I was dreading my last set of 5 games had like GM, a few IMs. That it seemed really tough, but so okay, I've been let off the hook here. I didn't want to play particularly I wasn't endeared to e5. I mean, there's various things he can do. I thought this one just to get this d5 square. You know, it's not going to be that pleasant here. I don't know where my counterplay is. In fact, this doesn't look good at all. So I think I'm glad I sort of considered dynamic option. It's not entirely terrible. This is okay, right?
Check.
The dynamic option is to try and avoid a massive d5 weakness. Plays the right move, it seems. Oh, right. Now, if I take here, I am right. I'm losing the queen, right? No, I can play the check there, of course. But still, white's better. Okay, like in the game. Okay, queen e2 makes a difference. So if here, oh, of course. No, when I say of course, what does this mean? Right, why is that so different from queen e1? And it's not. Oh, right, okay, this is an important tactic. So knight g4 here. Alright, so that's the difference. It guards against knight g4 to go to f2. Oh, I see. Right, yeah. So, you know, knight g4 can just take that off, right? In which case, this isn't so hot, though, this whole position. But even in game continuation, he could just take. And then see, okay, this is flawed. Is it either c3? Yeah, this is flawed. Oh, okay, I got a bit lucky there then. It's just a blunder then. He could just take it in c3. Okay, it's just Blitz. I'm just a spectator. Lucky there. He's winning. No, he's not. But yeah, this is interesting, I guess, to bear in mind. It opens up the pawn for c3. In a Morphy game recently, by the way, moving a pawn to c4 helped d1, and I didn't appreciate that. There was this tactic recently in the Morphy game, which I was running my c4. Why not just open up bishop to d1? It was a tactic I missed myself. But anyway, yeah, opening up the c pawn here. Yeah. Oh man, that's a let off then. Yeah, even stronger. Yeah, the queen's kind of harassed. I don't know, it looks grim. Yeah, the queen's kind of harassed. Oh, okay. I was let off there. All right. Comments, questions, appreciate it. Thanks so much.